Hi, I'm Hrvoje and this is PuzzleBlox, a channel where I'll be sharing everything I know about Blender, a wonderful piece of open source 3D creation software that supports modeling, rendering, animation, and video editing, among other things. If you want to know why to learn Blender, here are some reasons. It is fun, it can make you money, it feels great seeing something you created, and learning something quite complex like Blender activates your brain and improves cognitive skills. I will share long-form Blender tutorials as well as some shorter clips for specific operations or tools. My experience with Blender has been a huge success, but my approach to studying was aggressive to say the least. I would spend up to 12 hours a day doing tutorials and playing with Blender. It took me a year to go from absolute beginner to offering freelance services. After 6 months I got my first hourly gig, and a year after starting freelancing to get my first long-term client. I have been freelancing for 6 years and running a small studio for 2. PuzzleBlox tutorials are designed with a layered, complementary, step-by-step system that will make you a beginner 3D generalist in as little time as possible. The time it will take depends entirely on you. It might take a year, or you may do it faster. It certainly is true that tomorrow never comes. Starting is the most difficult part, so start today. Watch my Blender interface introduction tutorial here on PuzzleBlox. It is an easy to follow beginner tutorial designed to break the ice and get you started. Good luck on your journey. Please like and subscribe to stay informed as tutorials and other videos roll out.